Tangdi. Got the nice aroma, the smoke flavor. Tangdi kebabs, especially even for the chicken. Below the thigh part is the drumstick. These have to be proper size. If the chicken weighs around 2 kg plus, then your tangdi will not be good. When you buy the tangdi, the chicken has to weigh not more than 12 to 1400 grams. Only then you will have a tangdi that is nice and small. If it is too big, the juices will not absorb the masala and it will not be that great. Once you get this tangdi, you have to cut and give the gashes. See, there are two parts which have more meat. So on the top, just give one gash, make sure you touch the bone and give one more. And the other side also there is meat, only one gash this side. For absorbing the masala, small size chicken will make good tangdi kebabs. Let's make this masala. First I am going to add yogurt. Usually what they do is they hung the yogurt and add so that it sticks well to the kebabs. But I have got a trick here. We are going to use fried chana dal powder. This will make this curd like hung yogurt by absorbing the moisture. Every chef has their own tricks for the masalas, so this is one of them. So here add ginger garlic paste. I am adding a little bit of turmeric, kassorimethi powder, pinch of mint leaf powder. We are going to add some chaat masala. We are going to add this special garam masala powder. We are going to add a little bit of lime juice. And also, when I worked in the best hotel in the country, we used to add brown vinegar. Even I don't mind adding some apple cider vinegar in this. So this will make sure chicken will be nice, marinated and perfect. You mix all of these well. Salt. You have this masala ready. Add the chicken drumsticks and apply to these chicken pieces. Let some of the masala go in. Vinegar and the lime juice and the curd will do their job. You want to make sure that this chicken 2-3 hours of resting minimum is mandatory. After that we are going to make our kebabs. Coat your tawa with some oil because we are going to do tangdi kebab on the tawa and it is hot here, so I am going to start from the center. I do not want the masalas to burn and they have rested enough time so that they will cook perfectly. Arrange the pieces away from the direct flame. Now for easy cooking, put a foil on top. Little bit of oil on top of the kebabs. After cooking for some time, just we are going to turn it onto the other side. This slow cooking is essential to give good aroma to your chicken. If you want more of the masala, you can take the masala whatever we applied, you can baste the chicken so that the chicken will be well coated. But look at the way I am cooking it on a slow flame that nothing will burn. Put the foil on top so that some of the heat is trapped and this chicken will cook good. We need to cook like this on a slow flame for at least 8 to 10 minutes. We are going to turn it to the other side. We are going to repeat the process. If you need to add some more oil or something, go ahead and add it. And another thing, what I have done is, I have added some oil along with this, mix with this, that will give a better basting. You get a nice perfect chicken. I am bringing it towards the flame as it is getting cooked, and once again, some more oil and the masala basting. Once again, cover it. This will give us a nice perfect kebabs. Chicken pieces are nice and perfectly cooked. We are going to smoke these chicken legs so that we get the best of the best taste. Even at home, you can do some magic with serving. Smoke these chicken pieces. For this, I have got some very hot charcoal here. I am going to cover this and smoke it. But I want to smoke, so what we do is you can add some ghee, butter or any of the fat. So the moment you add this, it will smoke. Cover it up and now you can see this magic happening here. This is getting filled with the smoke. We are going to wait for just 2 minutes and then we are going to serve it. By the time the chicken will have the awesome flavor, aroma of nice tandoor. Wow, look at it. The kebabs got the great aroma. Now we are going to serve it with some salads and some chutney. We are going to serve with some onions, lemon and chutney. Here is your beautiful plate ready. This is all nice and ready to serve your tangdi kebab. Watch another wow magic with Chef Mani. These are just perfect, and the aroma is also nice. And look at them, they are cooked. Wow. This chicken tangdi got the nice aroma, the smoke flavor, and they are just too good. They are the right size, and when you eat it this good, you got to say whatever. Amazing, perfect, simple, juicy, and awesome tangdi kebab. Make it, eat it, and keep saying whatever. Going to finish this in next 2 minutes.